Hello, here are some study tips for success. Get top grades. Um, the contents of this video, there are 5 major content areas. Pause, treat and repeat, think nutrition, think it as you think it, sleep to succeed, turn it off. So let's see what are the tips you need for success. The keys to success: plan, do, review, adjust, and repeat. These are power tips that you can use to get top grades in any subject you study. Power tips for bigger return on investment, ROI. Those of you who are studying business subjects may be familiar with the acronym ROI. It means return on your investment, either of money, time, effort, and so on. Remember to think of something pleasant when you're studying. During exam time, we often forget how much fun we had getting to this point. Ask yourself why you are studying and what good grades would do for you. Remember that. What grades would do for you. Power tip number 1. Pause, treat, and repeat. When you're studying, take a break. Treat yourself for having studied that session and repeat. Study for 35 to 45 minutes, then take a break and repeat. Now, the thing to bear in mind is balance is the key to getting better returns on your time, energy, and effort. Now, remember, a session should be around 35 to 45 minutes. Then you take a break. When you do that way, you get maximum return on your investment of time and effort. Now, many students prefer cramming, rewriting notes, highlighting, underlining text, and so on, and attempting to memorize problem solutions or definitions. But the research shows that active recall is far superior to passive repetition. In a subsequent video, you'll learn more about active recall. And you can do active recall in several different ways by creating a quiz for yourself and checking your answers, writing down the answers and then checking to see if they're correct. And you can also do, when you're going through your textbook, convert headings and subheadings into questions. For example, if there's a heading that says quadratic equations, you change that heading into how to solve quadratic equations, and so on. You're using active recall, which is far superior to passive repetition, saying things out loud like most students try to do. Another tip that you can use is power tip number 2. Think nutrition. You have to eat well to think well. Remember, brain food is very, very important. So think well. If you want to think well, you have to eat well. Pay attention to what you eat when you are studying. To get bigger returns on your investment, think of whole grain food. Avocado pears, essential in maintaining healthy body, blood flow, and mental alertness. Use omega fish, oily fish, omega-3. They contain natural instant fatty acids that aid with memory retention and brain function. Pumpkin seeds provide you with zinc. Zinc, like omega-3, helps maintain a focused mind and helps with cognitive processes. Broccoli You can read for yourself. Vitamin K, nuts, vitamin E. You can pause the video anytime. Blueberries, vitamin C. Vitamin C greatly improves mental capacity, but it is unfortunately lost a lot of time during the cooking, so avoid processed food. In the next video, we look at power tip number 3. Excuse. These are power tips based on solid scientific research. Ink it as